How to get voice chat on Roblox. Having voice chat on Roblox enhances your gaming experience by allowing you to communicate with other players in real time. Here's a comprehensive guide to getting voice chat set up on your account, whether you're using the Roblox app or accessing it via a web browser on either a computer or mobile device. Firstly, launch the Roblox app or head to the Roblox website. Navigate to the top right corner of the Roblox interface and tap on the gear or cog icon to access your settings. From here, proceed to Account Info. In the Account Info section, the key to unlocking voice chat is verifying your age, as Roblox requires users to be at least 13 years old to access this feature. Begin the verification process by selecting to verify your age. You'll be prompted with an identity verification pop-up that requires a valid government-issued ID. If you're not already using a smartphone, you'll need one for the next steps, particularly for scanning a QR code that facilitates the verification process. Use your phone camera to scan the QR code. This will direct you to a web page where you'll upload a photo of your ID and a selfie for verification purposes. It's crucial to ensure good lighting and clarity for both pictures. After submitting your photos, the verification process is typically swift, with Roblox's secure system quickly confirming your age. Once your age is verified, return to the Roblox settings on your device. You might need to refresh the page, but you should soon see an option under Microphone and Camera Input. Toggle the switch to turn on Use Microphone to chat with voice, agreeing to any terms that appear. After activating voice chat, you're almost ready to communicate in-game. However, ensure that your audio settings are correctly configured, selecting the appropriate input and output devices. Now, when you join a Roblox game that supports voice chat, you'll notice a microphone icon indicating that you can unmute and speak to other players. Remember, not all games support voice chat, but for those that do, you're now set to communicate with fellow gamers directly.